How to freeze or unfreeze your Bank of America card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to freeze or unfreeze your Bank of America card. So first thing first, just head over to any of your App Store or Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded as well as installed the application. That is your Bank of America banking application, and once you successfully log into your account, after providing your login details, you just have to access the card management. So just tap on the menu button, then select the manage debit or credit card option over here, which will be something like this right under the alerts button. And once you tap on manage debit and credit card, you can just choose the debit card you want to freeze and simply tap the switch to lock or unlock the card. So you can just review the terms and condition and just confirm your action. And similarly, you can also freeze specific transaction like online purchases if desired. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.